Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for mastering personal finance. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for protecting the life you've built: basic life insurance, renters or homeowners insurance, and creating a will. Now, I know what you're thinking: insurance and wills. Isn't that for later in life? Well, not really. These are essential tools that can safeguard your financial future right now, especially if you have dependents relying on you. It's all about being smart with your finances today so you can relax tomorrow. Let's start with life insurance. For millennials, life insurance is like a financial safety net. It provides peace of mind by ensuring your loved ones are financially protected should the unexpected happen. It doesn't matter if you're single or have a family. It's always better to be prepared. Next up, renters or homeowners insurance. Whether you're renting a chic apartment or have bought your first home, these insurances protect you against potential financial disasters. Think of it as a small price to pay for securing your peace of mind against things like theft, fire, or other damages. And finally, let's talk about creating a will. You might think you don't have enough assets yet, but creating a will is about planning for the future and ensuring your wishes are honored. It's especially important if you have kids or any dependents, as it provides clear instructions on how you want your affairs handled. So, protect what you've built with these foundational steps. Get basic life insurance, secure your home with renters or homeowners insurance, and take the time to create a will. Investing in these protections now can save you and your loved ones from potential distress later on. Stay safe, stay prepared, and stay smart about your finances. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more personal finance tips on SavvyMoneyGlow.